Have you ever been in a fast-paced market and wanted to make a small but sure profit in a few minutes? This trading style is exactly what is called scalping. Today, we are going to look at two of the most professional and at the same time simple scalping strategies. Those for the 1 and 5 minute time frames, which are great for catching fast swings. If you are looking for a way to trade even if you don't have much time, this video is exactly for you. Our first strategy is to combine 3 exponential moving averages, EMAs, with the RSI indicator. To start, place the EMAs of 50, 100, and 150 on your chart. These EMAs will help you understand the general direction of the market. When these 3 lines are rising and well above each other, we are in a strong uptrend. Now add the RSI and set it to 14. When the RSI moves above 50, and at the same time the price pulls back to one of the EMAs, it is time to enter a long position. Place your stop loss just below the last low and set your target at least twice the risk. This strategy is great for traders who are looking to follow the trend. If the EMAs are flat or jagged, do not enter the trade because the market is suffering. If you found this helpful so far, do yourself a favor and like this video right now, because that tells YouTube's algorithm that this video is valuable, and don't forget to subscribe. The second strategy I want to introduce to you is the combination of EMA with stochastic indicator. This method works very well for highly volatile markets. To start, add 2 EMAs to your chart, one EMA 50 and one EMA 200. These will help you understand the general direction of the trend. Then add stochastic and set its settings to 14.33. When the price is above the EMA 50 and 200, and at the same time K line on stochastic rises above the 20 level and crosses the D line, this is a very strong buy signal. The opposite also works for selling. Place the stop loss just below the signal candle and set the target at about 1.5 to 2 times. This strategy works great for fast swings in markets with high momentum. Let me give you a real example. Let's say you're trading the euro-dollar currency pair. The EMAs are lined up, the RSI is above 50, and the price has hit the EMA 100 and turned up. This is exactly when you should enter a long position. But remember, no strategy works without money management. Always start with low risk. Don't put more than 1 to 2% of your capital into a trade, and be sure to have a stop loss. If you get emotional, scalping can easily lead to quick losses. Scalping is the art of making quick decisions. With the right tools and the right strategy, you too can make a reasonable profit in less than 5 minutes. Just practice, be patient, and stick to your plan. Good luck. Be sure to subscribe because there are more awesome tutorials coming. And please let me know in the comments, which strategy did you try?